An zo da akwatunan zaɓe an daddangwala ma PDP ga sunan a cike guda 12 inda nake nuna muku haka yanzu kuna ganin su ga sunan in kun ga alama za ku ga alamun abin an kwada ƙuri'an a kai an riga da an daddangwala ma PDP duniya ku shaida. Here at our polling unit in AYA, some ballot boxes are brought here with already printed papers. They have already printed everything. Yes, already printed. Yes, already printed. You can see everybody is talking about what is happening. The officers are here. They are here with the boxes. Everything is under control. Yes. Please, madam, what can you say about this thing that is happening here?
I don't know. What I know is that the voters, they cannot go back. For them to take the ballot box back to the where INEC put the polling unit. Let them just take it back for them to.
Thank you very much.
She saw everything. She saw us there.
Yes.
We voted. And now they want to nullify our vote. We can't have.
Where did you guys vote?
We voted opposite Hotel Police Station.
But
anyone that checks the INEC website, there is a.
But madam, is it possible for you to vote almost 12 boxes within an hour?
Yes.
My polling unit in inside JSS Asokoro, and we have been there for almost 4 hours. Up to now,
You know there are
less than 100 people.
Presidential, House of Reps,
Yes.
and Senate. They have 3 boxes.
Yes.
So and there are 4 points.
Yes.
So you have 3 here, that's 6. You have 3 here, 9. You have 3 here, 12. And you have over 100 people that voted in an hour.
Yes.
So you don't think that's possible? I just explained how the.
Are you telling me that now the vote here is 100 votes? If we counted, it's 100. The vote we are seeing here, there are more than 400 votes. There are more than 400 votes. You are saying 100 votes. To be sincere, the world is watching at you. The world is looking at you.
Wallahi al-Azim. She was
Is it possible, under INEC rule, is it possible for you to cast votes in total and bring it here into AYA?
Exactly. Here is
it possible?
Here is AYA bar. Here is AYA bar. Can you join?
What bring you here?
Can you join AYA area? For
Is it allowed?
Wait, you not get
Is it allowed? There is no way you vote in total. You bring the boxes here. It's not possible.
Then Allah can make it. It's not area.
Why do you bring it here? You can't vote in total and bring the boxes. This is complete cheating. This is fraud. Nigeria and the world you see, this is fraud. Already some printed ballot boxes brought here at AYA. This is cheat. This is a cheat. Everybody should see. The world should see what is happening here.
So, sir, this is everything they burnt. Look at, they came here, they burnt all our ballot papers, they burnt our ballot boxes. They first came this morning, they said, they came with box, loyal to the All Progressive Congress. They came here, they said that if we don't vote for APC, Lagos, no vote for us. Look at, they destroyed all the canopies, chased down all the INEC officials. Look at people, disenfranchised voters, all shouting and calling for their rights. Soldiers calling for their rights. Look at, see them, they're all calling for their rights. They're all calling for their rights. Nigerians are calling for their rights. We are going to century now. We are calling for our rights. We are calling for our rights. See, they destroyed